guess tell the audience what else are you doing? I know January 6th is not everything you're doing.
No, it's not everything. Andrew and Tristan Tate's case is real interesting. They were falsely accused by a woman from Florida who Tristan met in Florida of human trafficking. The UK has spent over $2 billion in an effort to cancel them, right? So they were able to get them on these false charges in Romania. Romanian justice system is very different. There's no trial by jury. You can be held for months and months and months before you even see the indictment. So the Romanian prosecutor over there, corrupt, did not want to let the facts of the case out because, again, the facts of the case were exculpatory. So we obtained the discovery, and we were suing her for defamation in Florida because not only is she from Florida and some of the material facts happened in Florida, she directed many of her statements from Romania back into Florida to get the people in Florida to call the U.S. Embassy to have his house swatted and have him locked up. So we filed a very good $5 million defamation lawsuit in Florida. We blew apart the Romanian case. Not only are they out, they're off a house arrest, they're chilling, they're all over Romania right now. Soon they'll be able to leave the country again. Once that case is disposed of in Romania, we're going to finish the defamation case, which is, we just survived the motions to dismiss in that case, so we're moving into discovery. And in that case, you have this woman who has just this storied history of going after rich guys and just ruining them when she doesn't get her way. One guy killed himself, another guy went to jail. I have her on text messages saying that she's going in to lie to the prosecutor to keep it in jail. And while she's crossing the metal detector, she's like, will my butt plug go off? I'm getting off on this. She's nuts, right? Like, so, yeah, yo, dead ass. I put that shit in court papers, bro. Judge is like, in my, what? Yeah.
I live in a different world.
Yeah, yo, it's just crazy. So not only that, when I put the word out, yo, if this woman hurts you, come to me. A lot of guys came to me and gave me evidence. Like, she's got a trail of victims going back years. Wow. I baked all that shit into my complaint. I was like, look at this woman. She's a fucking monster. And like Andrew and Tristan are her biggest targets to date. This is a takedown operation in conjunction with the effort to cancel them because they're being funded by dark money through an NGO to be able to defend this case. But we're ruining their life in court. We got a good judge in Florida. They wanted the case to be in federal court. We won our remand motion, got it sent back down to Florida State Court in Palm Beach, where the law is more favorable to us. We're going to have a good outcome in that situation, and and we're looking forward. And in terms of representing two guys who are great, I mean, these guys are just fucking awesome. I was at their crib in Romania with Tucker Carlson. We were just like hanging out in the backyard, smoking cigars, and I'm just looking around like, yo, is this my life? Like, this is crazy. That was my birthday last year. Yeah, so, it's just wild, man, But I'm grateful. I'm grateful for the opportunity, man, and grateful that you guys are here. And we can, we have very different religious and political views, obviously, but we're able to have a conversation and not want to put the other person in jail. That's all what I'm asking for.
Right.
Yeah. Don't lock me up. I see the world differently.
Right.
Yeah, man. I'm telling you, man. I remember when January 6th was just happening. I was like, I'm not saying what you did was tasteful, but it sounds like you're being a little aggressive.
Yeah.
I don't imagine they all were planning what you're saying they're planning. Because if they were, there would have been people in zip ties. It would have been fucking murder all over the place if what they were doing was because you can't half step a fucking government takeover. Either you do it or you're not.
Right. All or nothing endeavor.
Right.
I would imagine.
And the way that they watching the internet now, it's just like there's no way that you can conversate with each other and it not get nobody knows what's going on. You know what I'm saying? So
wow. Yeah. AI's coming.